wash us off the face of this world. But we are men. We decide if we live or die. We are men. And men united are invincible. Do you want to live? We kill the giants. We kill Noah. We take the ark.
Will he come back?
Some things cannot be unbroken.
I have to know. Why did you spare them?
I looked down at those two little girls, and all I had in my heart was love.
And why are you alone, Noah? Why are you separated from your family?
Because I failed him. And I failed all of you.
Did you? He chose you for a reason, Noah. He showed you the wickedness of man and knew you would not look away. But then you saw goodness too. The choice was put in your hands because he put it there. He asked you to decide if we were worth saving. And you chose mercy. You chose love. He has given us a second chance. Be a father. Be a grandfather. Help us to do better this time. Help us start again.
That birthright is now passed to you. Our grandchildren. This will be your work. And your responsibility. So I say to you, be fruitful and multiply and replenish the earth.